So this is a very quick tutorial to show you how to send us feedback on the Google Drive, the Google Docs and spreadsheets that we send you. So either in spreadsheets or in Google Docs, there is a very, very easy way to be able to add comments and let us know that there's feedback. So anytime that you're on a link that we've sent to you, you can right click. So if you're in Sheets, you can right click and then scroll down to comment. If you then click on comment, it'll come up with your name there. And then you can say at Melanie Guard, I don't like this suggestion, please change. Right. So you can then have that comment sent to us. I will get an email or a notification. If you tag in anybody else on the team, Nick or Tony, then they will then get the notification. Similarly, on in a Word document, what you can do is if you can highlight a section and then click here to add a comment. And likewise here, if you at me or sort of at somebody else and say, sort of, I am a vegetarian, please take out the meat, then that comment would then be sent to Tony. So this is a great way for us to be able to keep all of the feedback in one place. We can view the change history on the document and make sure that we are fulfilling everything that we need to do for you. So if you can send us feedback in this format, it would be greatly appreciated. It really does help us to streamline our workflow and make sure that we are doing everything that you are expecting us to do. Thanks. Bye.